this. This is really cool. Audi RS5, we're gonna be tinting the car, and then we're gonna be Clearbra the entire car, which I'm not surprised, to be honest, because this paint job is freaking sick. Dude, this blue is so pretty. You can see all the metallic flakes in it and everything. This is a nice RS5.
This spec is so good.
I know! Sean, I can see you driving this thing.
See me driving this thing?
Yeah.
It's actually really funny. I was actually choosing between an RS5, the older one, and my M3.
I'm not a fanboy of that car.
You chose wrong.
Did not choose wrong.
I'm not a fanboy of that car.
Oh, you're doing brushed black on this one.
It's gonna be fun.
So here's a quick look at what the brushed black looks like. So as you can see, there's like all these lines here, right? You get that really cool brushed effect. It adds a nice bit of sophistication to it, and it's still glossy, so it's still classy, and it's different. Dustin, I think you had the wrong job today.
We're not touring with Fred Durst today. Coaching soccer today.
Yeah, we're not doing that either.
This hat is the exact reason why they said, "Oh, are you a basketball coach?"
Dustin, you look like a baseball coach who's working here part-time to make some extra cash on the side.
Yeah, it does.
All right, so I think Ty's back here washing a Lambo, so let's see how that's going.
What's up, dude? You like the haircut?
What are you doing? What?
What?
Quick little update on the Model 3. Let me show you what we've done so far. No, I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek. It's pretty cool, right? It has like a bit of sophistication to it because of the brush effect, but it's still black, so it's still sporty, but it does have a bit of classiness to it. Okay, so we're done with the tinting on this. So we did focusing 30 on the sides and the back, focusing 70 on the front windshield. It looks so good, especially with the black window trims. It just looks so sporty now. What it does need though is probably new wheels, because the chrome wheels don't match at all with the blue and the black together. I think it needs some like gunmetal or some black wheels, you know? Sean, are you done with this car yet? It's been like 4 days.
It's been 1 day.
Check this out. So this is obviously the normal chrome badging from the Model 3. Since we're doing chrome delete on this car, we have to get rid of this. Since we're doing brush black, this is what it looks like. See, how good does that look? Look at that detail. Nah, I just can't. He's right here still. What are you doing, Dustin?
Wiping down this special order paint job.
Really? How do you know that?
I get it from Ted's mouth. Sounds gross though.
We have the Clearbra on the Audi RS5 laid down. We're letting it cure right now. It's looking good. It's really glossy. What the f are you guys doing here?
Come over here to pick up the car. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna go for him.
Paul's gonna get mad at you. Let me do it here for you.
Paul's already mad.
Hell yeah!
When is he not mad?
Oh.
He stay mad.
Hell yeah!
What the hell?
Boss bitch now!
Alright, so Will got done coating this Model 3, so let me show you. I hope you guys can see it in the camera, but this Model 3 is so glossy. 2 layers of 9H, 1 layer of Ceramic Pro Light. Also Clearbra the entire thing as well. Bumper all the way to the back bumper is completely Clearbra. Not only does the owner not have to worry about rock chips and scratches in the front, but he doesn't have to worry about damages on the side or the back. And typically, damages on the side would be like door dings, and then damages in the back would be typically like, you know, taking things out of the trunk, grocery bags, luggage, possibly hitting it, shopping carts, things like that.
The next morning.
We're now gonna do my favorite part, which is the water beading test. I have a bottle of water, and we're just gonna make sure the coating is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I haven't even started yet, and the surface is so slick that when I throw the towel on it, it just kind of slides. So that's a good sign already. So if everything goes well, it should be beading water, right? So perfect little circles, should be sliding. It shouldn't be splattering. It shouldn't be really be spreading. It should just kind of slide down effortlessly. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Imagine washing your car and you see this happening. I mean, you can just tell your drying process is gonna be so much faster. Like, this is cool. Look at that, perfect little circle. Man, that looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna try the trunk now. So we're at a different panel. Nice. It's so much fun. It's kind of windy out here, and you already see that it's already starting to just slide off. We also coated the spoiler too, which is why the spoiler is beading water here. And of course, besides the ceramic coating, we also did the Clearbra on the full car. Having a Clearbra and ceramic coating is definitely the ultimate combo. So guys, we have to talk. You may have noticed that in the past few days, there hasn't really been a vlog every day, and that's because, guys, we are ending the daily vlogs.
No, no, no!
What the f are you talking about?
What are you doing? What?
Nobody cares.
Yeah. But with that being said, we're still gonna be doing vlogs. But instead of doing 5 vlogs a week, we're gonna be doing 3 vlogs a week. So we're still gonna be bringing you guys content every week. The reason for this change is because, well, the shop is going through some really cool changes in the upcoming future. So we're all trying to spend a little bit more time focusing on this, and I'll explain this more later on. So if you guys have been watching the vlogs since day 1, we just want to say thank you so much. We really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for our news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. time.
Agree or disagree? Life is a garden. You gotta dig it.
Because we die in the ground? Is that why?
Oh, just an expression, bro. Life's a garden. Dig it. Can you dig it?
Dustin, I have no idea what you're talking about. You're losing me.